Good morning, everyone. Everyone, it is bright and early this morning. I mean, it is early, early, early. I must have definitely wanted the worm this morning, but that's not true. Because I was laying in my bed. I was lying in my bed watching television because I really couldn't sleep. You know, often that happens to me early in the morning. And all of a sudden, I hear this loud talking outside. I think it was a lady and her kids. It had to be about 3:30 in the morning. I don't know, it's either 3:30 or 4:30. I think it was more like 3:30. No, maybe 4:30, because you know that time going forward, time sitting back and all that kind of stuff got me all confused. And so I was getting nervous. And so I got up out of my bed because, you know, I have a bed, the way my house is situated. And I didn't look out the window. I peeked through the fish eye on my door to see if I could see anything. And then it sounded like they went one way, and then it turned around. I didn't hear it anymore. And then it sounded like they turned around and came back the other way. And I said to myself, what on earth is this lady doing out there at this time of the morning with her children? And it's cold, y'all, to me. It is cold. I got on my sweater. I put this sweater on. I had on my little nightgown, you know, little short sleeve nightgown. So sometimes you get hot in the bed. Sometimes I'm cold in the bed. Sometimes I'm in the bed with my sweater on. You know, it depends on what's going on. But I said, maybe a car broke down or something. But where is she going? There's no buses. Not that I know of that are running this time of the morning. And there was a whole lot of questions about this situation. You know, because I could hear the kids. Some of them, you know, they were loud too. They was kind of loud. I don't know if they lived in the neighborhood. I don't know if somebody was after them. What else are you out there this time of the morning with children? I tell you, I really would have wanted to know. But of course, I ain't got my mouth stuck in there. And I ain't got that much nerve. I ain't got that much courage, y'all. Because, you know, like I said on my other videos, I'm a little scaredy cat, you know. But I would have loved to have helped them if they had needed some help. But after they came back, you know, I didn't hear them anymore. But nevertheless, I'm up now. Hey, so I got on up, had me bowl of, what's that stuff that I was eating, y'all? Y'all know what, Fruit Loops. Had me a bowl of Fruit Loops, had me some corn chips, and I had this much Pepsi. Now, you know I was wrong for that. But I be hungry in the morning sometimes. I really do. And I just eat whatever, you know, is laying around. As a matter of fact, I got those bananas over there. They're getting brown speckles on them. And I think I'm going to have to eat them too. And another reason that I came up here, just because I'm on here, I wanted... Where's my... Hey, Papa Luba. I don't know if y'all remember the lady that I said that she said she was going to help me with my channel. She's a young lady. And the name of her channel, the name of hers is Sippy in Lounge. Now let me spell that Sippy because I might have that wrong. It's spelled SIPPINN Lounge. And she's the one that said that she was going to help me with my channel. And sure enough, she's been sharing my videos and she's been thumbing me up. You know, she's been doing a little something to help me out. And I appreciate that. I appreciate you, Sippy. And I've been over there watching your channel too. But sometimes I be watching it, so I got to go back over there. Sometimes I'm watching you when I'm in my bed and I don't know how to thumb you up or comment or anything like that if I'm watching it on my television. But I shall go over there and thumb you up sometime during the day. And I do watch some of your videos. As a matter of fact, I was watching the one with the elderly. They were dancing. You know, they were dancing on your channel. And the music was nice, too. It kind of like that music. I'm old school, you know. Yeah, and I want to shout out to Sippy. How you doing this morning, Sippy? And who else? There was somebody else. Oh, my goodness. Well, I don't have it here on my paper, y'all. Wait a minute. What? Oh, that's Joy. She got another channel I was supposed to go over there. See, I got so much stuff written down, y'all, because you can't remember. You can't remember all this stuff. And so sometimes you just have to write it down. And it's thousands, I mean, if not millions of people on YouTube, on the YouTube, community. There's a lot of people up here. And a lot of them that are on here, they're on other platforms as well. They're on TikTok, Twitch, Twitter, Twitter, Pinterest, because I was on Pinterest at one time. I didn't know I was even on Pinterest. And what else? There's so many. There's a lot of platforms too. Facebook, of course, I'm on Facebook. That's where I almost got scammed. I think Facebook and I don't know if TikTok and Facebook are intertwined. I don't know, but I know Google and YouTube are. And so there's a lot of different little platforms up here, and a lot of people belong to more than one, which I do not. But I said I was going to make me a little short video and put that up here, see if it will help my channel a little bit, you know. And what else was I going to talk about this morning? Oh my goodness. Lost my train of thought, y'all. I think I didn't get my nap out. Well, I got my nap out because I was awake. Like I said, I was already awake. And was sitting up here and I was playing Scrabble. I don't know what happened to my Scrabble. See, I got my computers already on. It's on already, y'all, early in the morning. Because I was playing Scrabble. And, of course, I got my fish over here going on because I was watching the news. And, you know, something that came on that news this morning, I could not believe. I said I must have heard this wrong. The news, now this is legitimate news, ABC News. Supposedly, it be legitimate. And it says a lady had married herself. Wait a minute. A lady had married herself. And now she wants to divorce herself because she's tired of that crap. I don't know if I have to Google that one either. You know, this was on legitimate news, and I know I was wide awake because, like I said, you know, if you half asleep, that's one thing. But if you wide awake, like I was this morning, because, you know, of the commotion outside. And so I heard, you know, the lady and the children outside. And so I'm wide awake. And I'm listening to the news. By this time, I got up and I'm sitting at my computer, you know, doing Scrabble or whatever. And that newsman said a lady had married herself. Is that legal? I don't think that's legal, is it? How you gonna marry yourself? Hey, self, will you take me to be your lawfully wedded husband? Well, what do you be, your lawfully wedded husband or your lawfully wedded wife? Or to your lawful wedded self? Unless she just love herself that much. I wonder what this is like. Sounds like it might be a little mental case, y'all. But, I mean, I can't believe I heard that correctly. I gotta Google that one and see if that one is correct. Because I'm pretty sure that's what I heard. They said it was a lady. I'm pretty sure. I'm almost positive. I'm not the only one that's up this morning bright and early, y'all, because I hear somebody walking around upstairs, too. Let me turn this heater on. There. Yeah, so, gotta do something about my bald head. Where's my scarf? Lord and mercy. Well, anyway, y'all, I didn't come up here to turn long. I just came up here to share that little bit of news with you. And Let me show you my turtle. See my turtle? That's a different turtle. That's not the same turtle that I had before. Look at him. He seems to have more speed on him than that other turtle had on him. I don't know if it's the same people that, always, have those types of videos up there. Sometimes it's the same person. Sometimes it's somebody different. And, but I know that ain't that same turtle that I was showing y'all the other day. That was so slow. He could hardly make it. Yeah. Which is the way that I feel sometimes. But you know what? That wind outside is blowing and whistling again. That's, to me, it's always wind. The wind is always blowing. I hear it whistling now. Listen. What? It stopped. But it's gusting, like it was. And they had snow. Wait. Every time I said wait, it stops. But it is gusting out there, and the weatherman said we're going to get gusts up to 40-some miles an hour today. And they had snow somewhere in the state. I said, what? Where was that? I'm pretty sure you heard that one. That was a nice whistle. That one was whistling. But anyway, y'all, I'm not going to tarry long. I got to get up here. And I got a few dishes in the sink. Not many. I had my cereal, and some stragglers left. So I might as well do those while I'm up. And I'm going to take this sweater off, for goodness sake. Oh, here's my scarf. I knew I had one out here. And I always do. Put my scarf on my head, y'all. Because you know what? When you, like I said before, when you tie your head up, if you're cold and you tie your head up, you'll be surprised how much warmer you will be if you, tie your head up and everything. And so that's what I try to do, because of my hair is so thin. And then I put my scarf on to keep, sort of keep my head, not only to keep my head warm, but to keep my hair clean, cleaner. Especially if I'm in my house dusty and everything like that. As a matter of fact, this is what I got to do. See that? I don't know if you can see where I'm pointing. Let me get up this right here. See? I don't know how dusty it appears on here or not. But it's dusty in here, y'all. And I'm hoping upon hope that I have enough Windex to clean it. It won't take much, though. It really won't, because it's not really the dust. I've seen it dustier than that. But it's been quite a while since I've done it, so I need to do that. I ain't gonna promise myself that I'm gonna do that today. But that's what I need to do. And I need to dust that bar cart. See that little bar cart way over there by the door? That needs dusting. Now that one looks more dusty than this one over here, because it's mirrored. The mirror. I don't know why they did that. Put mirrors. I would have rather had just plain old glass, And it wouldn't, it would be like that, but it wouldn't look as, how mirrors look. It's white looking, so silver looking, whatever. So the dust, when it comes down on it, when the mirror is laying flat like that, it's going to look even worse. And it's right there by the door, okay? So when you open the door, which I don't have that much company. I ain't thanking God that I don't have that much company. But I'm just thanking God that, like people that come over here normally are family. But sometimes family can be just as bad. My daughter come over here, she criticizes this, criticizes that. Seems to me, look like to me, she just be looking for stuff when she come over here. Like she's some kind of inspector. Hey, Inspector Gadget. What you looking for now? But anyway, y'all, I'm going to close out the video because I don't want to make no real long videos anymore. Because someone told me, so you make your videos too long, shorten them up. Hey, I feel like talking. What about it? Ain't that what this is for? I can talk if I want to, dance if I want to. And I can dance a little bit. I've been practicing, y'all. Maybe not as good as you do, but I'm working on it. I got it going on a little bit. You know, I can move a little bit. I can move when I want to move, you know. I can move a little bit. I might not have no rhythm, you know, because we don't have that kind of rhythm and stuff in my family. But, well, you know, on my side of the family, I got some people in the family that can dance. But, you know, we, as a family, we can't dance that well, you know. What was that? Oh. Okay, y'all, I'll get out of this sweater, and I shall be talking to you again soon.